Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials, enable USB debugging and developer options, and unlock your phone. Make sure the device is charged at least 20% and that you have a PC and a USB cable ready. Once done, install ADB tools on the PC or prepare an accessibility-based shortcut app on the phone. This gets you straight into methods that don't need the power key, because ADB or accessibility shortcuts let you trigger a reboot command remotely and reliably. With the phone connected and the PC authorized, run a DB devices to confirm the connection, then a DB reboot to restart the device immediately. This uses the Android debug bridge to send the system reboot command, which bypasses the physical power button. If you cannot use a PC, make sure an accessibility shortcut or a scheduled restart setting is configured. These allow a software-triggered restart. Make sure to save any open work before issuing the command, because apps will be closed during the reboot. After issuing a reboot, wait patiently through the full boot sequence and check that notifications, Wi-Fi, or mobile data reconnect as expected. If the normal ADB reboot fails, try a DB reboot bootloader to access recovery or bootloader options, or perform a safe mode restart from recovery. If the device refuses to respond, a last resort is to let the battery drain and then connect the charger to force a boot. Make sure to use a reliable cable. If problems persist, inspect logs via a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.